Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can download and install XAMPP server in your PC or laptop. So first you will go to google.com and then write XAMPP download and press enter, and the first link you saw apachefriends.org/download. You will click on this website will open here. Here you will get the three versions of XAMPP server for your Windows server. You can also, if you are using Linux, you can download these. And if you are using um, Apple or OS system, then you can download these. So I'm using Windows, so I will be downloading this one. So I will download the latest version, which is 8.2 8.0.28 with PHP version of 8.0.28. So I will be downloading this version, but now in today's date it is this version. So maybe you are watching after some months or years or some time. So this version will be changed, but the process will be same. So you follow the steps. I'm going to download the latest version of the XAMPP server. Click on the link. It will start downloading. The file is of 143 MBs. It is showing. So it is downloading now. I have already downloaded the XAMPP server, so I cancel the download and then I start this XAMPP installation in my system. So guys, when the download will be completed, then the downloaded file of XAMPP server will come into the download folder. You just go in this folder download and then double click on this. The pop-up window will be open. It is requesting if some permission, and you click on yes. Then again one warning message will come. You click OK, and then the process for installation the XAMPP server will begin. You click on next, and here at this process you make sure that these all the windows are checked. When you check these, then click next and then select the folder. You can select any folder from here where you want to install the XAMPP server. So I have already downloaded two XAMPP servers. So I will create a new folder and install the XAMPP server in that. I go here in C drive. You can install in any drive you have, but I am installing in C drive. So I will create a folder here. I will name it. You can name it anything. I'm naming it XAMPP2, and now I will be selecting this folder XAMPP2. My all files for this XAMPP server will be in this XAMPP2 folder. I will hit OK and then next. I will select the language for this control panel, and it is English, and then click next, and then setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP on your computer. So I will click on next. It will begin the installation. So it will take few minutes. It depends on your internet speed and also on your system. So I pause the video until it completes its processing. So guys, setup is almost finished. System will restart once. So guys, my system has restarted once. After restart, uh, I will go into the start menu or search here uh, XAMPP. So I will get the XAMPP control panel. I will click on it. So I get the XAMPP installed on my system. This is the control panel you get when you install the XAMPP server. So it has Apache server, a MySQL database, and other things. But most of the time for WordPress, you will be needing two things. One is Apache server and one is MySQL server. So when you want to start XAMPP server for WordPress, then you will have to start these two, Apache server and MySQL server. First you start the Apache server. When it turns to green, then it started working. Then you start the MySQL server. It turned green. Now it also started working. So now XAMPP server is running on our computer. Now we can install our WordPress on this XAMPP server.